Hey and welcome to 2 Minute Watches. Today we've got an unboxing video of the Moonswatch 1965. Picked this up from Swatch in Battersea Power Station in London. Just gonna show you all the sides of the boxes here. You've got a bit of the history of the 1965 qualification and also when it was worn by Ed White. Let's see if there's anything else here. Ooh, what's on this side? A bit more about the 1965 date. Yep, a bit here. So just opening up here now. It's pretty much the same with all other the Moonswatch collection. Got a box opening to the side. I've got a booklet here with a bit more history about the flight qualification of how Omega came to have that NASA accreditation. A bit of a history. Looks pretty good. More of the design functions as well, going into why you've got the particular design features and functions and typeface. Bit of history about how they became accredited. It's good that they actually mention the other brands. They've got the Longines in there as well. I think there might have been another brand that was tested, but I guess Swatch only own Longines as the other brand, so I think maybe Belova was in there. Talks about some of the missions and some of the temperature tests, which is pretty good. Some nice photography. And then they've talked about some of the designs. They've got a bit of the mission there, but they've talked about some of the design language they've chosen with the 1965 on the subdials, which is, yeah, a little bit, I won't say controversial, but some people thought it was a bit gimmicky. You get the kind of receipt, or like effectively kind of sounds as a warranty card. So said got from a Battersea Power Station, got the reference number in there as well. Very nice. What else have we got? So user manual goes through how to basically, I guess, change the time and things like that. I mean, it should be familiar for anyone who uses quartz watch. A booklet with all the other Swatch collection collaborations. What was pretty cool was that it's also, actually, what's this? Let's have a look. Oh, okay, just some sort of manual. Yeah, fine. Different languages. They gave me a little torch. So it's actually UV light. So here we go. The money shot, as it were. Looks really, I think because a lot of people go for this. A lot of people talk about the bioceramic, and yeah, maybe the fact that the grey, it's maybe obvious that's plastic because obviously you're trying to mimic the metal, but the dial itself looks really nice. And I'd maybe throw a different strap on it. Let me just get rid of the plastic here so we can see dial a bit more. Hold to the light. Look at that. There we go. It's a really nice white dial. Might try and chuck it on a rubber strap. Maybe you're trying to work out with a brown leather strap, or maybe some sort of black rubber strap might be ideal. But the dial itself is probably something that, especially with the white Speedmaster coming out, the kind of the normal metal one, getting this at the fraction of the price, I think it's quite cool. Anyway, I was going to show you the UV light, so I think you just press here that, and then you can, I guess it charges up the loom. There we go. Look, so it didn't last very long when I tried it a couple of minutes ago, but it's pretty cool. I don't know why they gave it to me. They didn't actually tell me why. They said it comes with it. I don't know whether it comes with every in every store in every country, but maybe they're trying to showcase the loom feature. Maybe if I read the booklets a bit more, it'll come back to me. But yeah, this is a quick unboxing video. So I just picked this up yesterday evening. I'll be doing a more in-depth review when I try it on the wrist. Thanks for watching.